I'm actually liking Ubuntu for that fact that Framework are selling it on their laptops and it's outselling Windows. So yeah, Smitty in the house. What's going on there? Can you hear the fireworks? Try it again. Did you hear the fireworks? That looks like it's quite loud. Do you want to hear something really cool, Smitty? You ready for this?
Spin the wheel, hold your breath, luck decides what distro's next.
How was the volume on that one? I've been messing with the with all of the audio settings there. Oh, I do need to do something with my audio quick. Right, let me just bring up the screen so you can see what's going on, because that's a little bit boring, that screen. So we're going to bring up this for a sec. We're going to get the stream inception. Are you ready? I've got a button for that. That one. There we go. Watch this. Ready? Woo wee 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 wee. Right, so we'll put that there. We need to bring that over to here. Right, let's run my script first. So it's Python app. There we go. Ionutris, why do you like Ubuntu? It just so happens that Framework are selling it with their devices, and yeah, I'm quite happy about that. Bold title, hire me. Hemlock, hello. Is this the right room for an argument about distros? Not really, no. I mean, you can try, see how far you get. We love all distros here, Hemlock. I'm being a little tiny incy-wincy bit facetious with the old Ubuntu title there. Yeah. In it's got it. Yeah. I use Linux, by the way. That's what we're all about here. Oi, Zero, stop it or I will mute you. Yuki, hello, welcome in. Oh, lots of fireworks. Boom. I can't hear the fireworks very well, but I'm hoping they're quite... It looks like they're quite loud for you. Did that answer your question, Ionutris? And Hemlock, I'm guessing Hemlock's gone. It's like, I'm here for an argument. And then it's like, oh, they don't do that around here. What are we doing today and what is this title? I should have thought about this, shouldn't I? I should have prepped. Oh, okay. Oh my god, I so missed that. I'm very embarrassed. Oh my god. Oh my god, that's brilliant. Sorry, Hemlock. It's been a long weekend. Time to make a sandwich. Turkey or ham? Ooh. Your chat term app is really cool. I know, right? Isn't it? -100. I know, I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. It is going to run out very quickly though, Yuki. I'm still waiting for YouTube to give me an uplift in tokens. That's the funniest thing I've seen somebody say, John. Because basically Mint is Ubuntu. What are you talking about? It's an Ubuntu spin. Hey Prath, how you doing? How do I get nerd points back, Hemlock? How can I get those back? Zero Linux is still suffering food I had for lunch. A whole boneless chicken. Oh wow. That poor chicken. Hope it was dead when you took the bones out. John says, in terms of ease of use, I hear Mint. Yeah, Mint is pretty good. It's pretty good. Prath, I'm not too bad actually. Not doing too bad at all. To get nerd points back, this snap pack. Oh, that's easy. Yeah. So I'm not a hater. I'm a lover, not a hater. But snap is not something that I am a fan of. Okay. That's why you're amazing. Giving the tears, laughing. Good. Zero Linux. I'm KDE convert. Totally nice. I'm not a fan of Snap. I love LMDE7. What the hell is that? Oh, hang on, what's it doing? I need to do something on my mic because I was listening to it yesterday. I think it just needs a little tiny bit of EQ on the top end. Maybe about there. I'm going to test it at 5.8. 5.8. Can some of you just put 5.8 dB in the chat, please? Type 5.8 dB, 5.8 dB, dB, not dp, dB. Thank you. Because what this also does is it actually saves it in the background, saves the chat in the background, so I can come back to that. Now, Emmy, did you yesterday mention something about Kitty themes? Because I was convinced somebody in chat mentioned Kitty themes, but when I looked back, I couldn't find it anywhere. It was mental. Mooey! Who's LTL? Linux Taming Life? Alexa, play Descapi. There, that one. I'm good, thank you. Aha, now I get KDE, just better than... Yeah, I mean, I quite like... Well, I've never used GNOME, actually. The closest I got to GNOME was Cinnamon, and I quite like that. Yeah, somebody mentioned it yesterday, and I could not find it. Oh, okay, that's... So I added you in Black Don's chat, hoping that you're the same Emmy, and this is a different Emmy. Oh, well, maybe it was in it then, but I couldn't find it. I'm pretty sure that somebody said it yesterday. Look, watch this. You ready for this? Are you ready for this? I'm going to press Control, Shift, K. Oh, well, that didn't work. That's the wrong one. Wait, what? Windows, Shift, K. Changing the theme live. Cool, huh? No one GHF. Hey Linux Gamer Live, been enjoying your vids. Now I'm able to jump on stream. Oh, that's awesome. Good to see you, dude. You're like a kid opening presents. I know, right? Actually, I quite like that thing. For GTK, I'd be using... there we go. Make it a little bit brighter. Oh, that's cool. Quite like that one. Definitely like Ubuntu and Mint more than Debian, in my opinion. I'd prefer Debian, but then people who hang around here would know that I'd rather build it out myself. For GTK, I'm using ADW. Yeah, this is a Python script that randomly picks one of the themes that you can get from Kitty's GitHub. And it just randomly picks one and makes it the current theme. LGL saw the Valve optimizations on CacheOS, some games 3 times faster than Windows. Where did you see that? I don't believe in benchmarks. Hemlock, been distro hopping for years. First tried Yellow Dog on my Mac 7300 back in the day. Oh my god, that's back in the day. I've avoided Ubuntu and Fedora for different reasons, and now on CacheOS KDE. Nice. I'm on Fedora, and I love it, and I love it with a passion. I'm just going to move this out of the way. So is my voice pretty clear now? I'm going to put that back there. I'm just going to bring up... oh no, I don't want to do that. What did I do that for? No, have I broken it? Here we go. We'll pop that there. So people can see. We're just going to chat until this runs out. Actually, we're going to do... We'll do that one. Trying BSD versions recently. Nice. Rose Pine is nice on Noctalia. Okay. Is that the... let me go into here. Color scheme. That one. Yeah, I've got it set to change with the actual wallpaper. So if we put something like maybe that one on, it all changes. We'll do that one for the minute because that's the thing you want, isn't it? Space Boy John says, "Oh, I love command prompts. Nostalgic." Theme. Just good if you'll find the XDA article. Cool. Do you know where I can get Windows themes and icon packs for my Linux? No, not really. I have issues with Fedora due to RHEL and CentOS fuckery. Okay. You do you, dude. I like Breeze or AWD or something. Yeah, I'm using Breeze for the Qt apps. Add blur to Noctalia. It looks so good. What do you think's going on, dude? What do you think all this is? Oh, actually, I haven't got it in the dock. Where's it gone from the dock? Huh. What's going on with that? Dock size. I thought I had it on. But it's got that thing around it. I don't mind that actually. I'm going to move back down a bit though. Where is it? The floating distance, we'll do that. Put it there. That'll do. In it says, what app is next to the right of Steam on your dock? To the right of Steam. That's Parsec. That's what I use to connect to my Mac. It's only a matter of time, Zerlin. It's only a matter of time. Jason, I just got here. Why do you suddenly like Ubuntu? Oh, that's brilliant. Framework laptops. You can buy them with either Ubuntu or Windows, and Ubuntu is outselling Windows. That's the only reason. Do I put my Niri and Noctalia configs in Git? Not yet, no. I might do in the future. They're a little bit messy at the minute. I'm still learning about them. And I'm splitting them up like a good boy. And I've got... so look at the state of my binds. It's just horrible. I want to tidy all that up. And then my actual config itself... not that one. So my Windows rules is nice and tidy. So I'm quite happy with that. I've still got some experimental ones at the bottom that I'm working through, testing. But that's not too bad. But then this is only useful for me because I've got the app. So these are like my apps, and then you've got streaming, Steam, Discord, Vert Manager. So they're very specific to my setup. Yeah, but my binds are like, I don't know why. I don't know if people would find them useful. No, because then you won't learn it, dude. Stop telling me what to do. Cool. Yuki, clickbait title, 100%. No shame, dude. No shame. You put that micro slot, less sales going in Link's favour. Yeah, absolutely. Okay, that's cool, I guess. It's still horrible in 26. Last I checked. Yeah, as I can't remember how I worded it yesterday, but I worded it along the lines of Ubuntu is I don't hate it, but it's just not going to be in my world. Balanced as it should be. Hey Dex, Mex, Tex, hey Doom, welcome on in. You can buy new Dells with Ubuntu for a while. Yeah, I know, but frameworks are cool. I think, have I got, is this a Dell that I've got here for? Oh, that's a Mac. Yeah, I've got a Dell for work. It's alright. It's no Mac though. Hey Mole, Vaden, how you doing? Welcome on in. I don't think it matters, to be honest. See, Jason, I'd be the opposite. I would recommend Mint over Fedora, because Fedora just doesn't work out of the box, which is why I created my loadout app. Because if I bring it up now as shameless plug, it doesn't. You have to install this stuff just to get Steam working. So I wouldn't recommend it to a noob, because they're going to have to learn about RPM Fusion and RPM Fusion non-free. They won't know that already, right? I wouldn't recommend Mint over Fedora. Not for, well, I don't know, for beginners maybe. I hear Fedora isn't secure. Where do these people get this shit from? What the fuck? Acer used to have Endless OS pre-installed. Oh yeah, Endless. I did actually. That's a 25 gig ISO. Endless. Now they ship with FreeDOS as a no OS option. Ah, okay, because then you can just do what you want yourself, I suppose. Looking forward to when Mint goes to Debian as main over Ubuntu. Wait, what? Mint is a derivative of Ubuntu, which is a derivative of Debian, right? Crit chance. Hello, welcome on in. You fell for the bait. Because it feels snappy. Oh, that's perfect. That's perfect. I'm getting some weird comments tonight. No, yeah, it's purely because of framework laptops. I'm sorry, guys. I'm going to have to keep saying this, aren't I? Maybe I need to have a command or something. You know? Oh, the chat's running away. Look, this was part of the problem. See, too much Reddit, guys. I know, right? Get your asses off of Reddit. People on Reddit too much. I know, right? The amount of yeah, that's just bullshit. Yeah, I wanted to talk about that. Why after update on Fedora is only booting mainline kernel. I thought I got caching some grub disappeared. No idea, dude. Just go in and rebuild it. Rebuild grub. I'm talking for, yeah, okay, sure, John. I think we've got a Redditor in our midst here. Be quiet, be gone. Mole Vaden, just bought AMD 9070 XT, nice, that's what I'm rocking, from a NVIDIA 27 Super, so now I'm ready for Linux without NVIDIA hassle. Just waiting on Fedora 44 to release, and Microsoft will be gone. Nice one. That's a round of applause right there. Can you hear that round of applause? Yeah. It's just not very loud in my ear, that's all. Um, It's Randy Pinball. Linus T uses Fedora. He would not use Fedora if it was not secure. I know. Space Boy John. Did I just mute the wrong one? No, I didn't. Okay. Peace Boy John. There we go. Peace Boy John is gone away for a little while. Okay. LGL, you get weird comments because we all live on the spectrum lane. I'm glad I left Reddit years ago. I know it's a bit of a place, isn't it? Weird shit. We'll have a look into it. Annoying. The music literally makes this absolute cinema. I do like my playlist. I've had this playlist pretty much the same with a few extras for quite a while now, and I'm still not bored of it. There's some real good bangers in it. One try less, absolutely, yeah. Evening broskies. Hey Molly Mole, welcome on it. Good to see you. Have some fireworks. I can't hear the fireworks when they go off. That's a little bit worrying, to be honest. What I might have to do, I'm just going to check the levels again. How are we doing with the music? What I might have to do, see, that's quite quiet for you now. It's a bad time to wait for the drop. How's that for you guys? Let me catch up with chat. I laying down. Coffee sipping, dreading Monday. It's Monday tomorrow, isn't it? Hey bud, good to see you here. Oh, okay, cool. Nice one, Randy. Welcome on in. Did I miss anything from Randy? No, I did say hi, didn't I? LGL laying down the law. Slowly catching up. I love this channel. So do I. Fedora 44 is a go for the 28th. Yep. Jason is currently in the process of setting up a dual boot with Windows 11 and CachyOS. Actually, I already set up the dual boot. I'm just downloading all the Steam games. Oh, nice. 3.5. Zero Link says, Ranny, 3.5 days, and I'm leaving this shit country. New life. Let's go. Somebody says the music's always good. I must be weird. We're all weird. Quite like Mondays. Mulvane, isn't Niri scrolling? How do you have Windows floating? So if I go to here and then just open up another browser, it's tiling. If I open up another, so it is tiling, but if you press Windows V, it releases it from tiling hell. Press V again and it goes back. It's really cool. Press that one, V. Do that, go back. That's why I love it so much. Your UI looks like a Rice KDE Plasma. I love it. Without all of the bloat, Mulvaden. Can we hear them? Can we hear what? What do you want to hear? You also get bonus points for being a fellow Brit. Oh, nice one, Hemlock. Excellent. Are you what kind of area are you from? Obviously don't dox yourself. Smitty, we can hear the fireworks. Excellent. Yeah, can hear that. I hear clapping and fireworks. Fine. Brilliant. Hey, RK. Welcome on in. Good to see you. Prath, movie, try Kitty. I love it. I only went to Kitty because of one person, and you all know who that person is. It's that goddamn Black Dom. Most of the stuff that, yeah, actually, most of the stuff, if I get rid of my app, all of this is because of Black Dom. The config, the Kitty windows, Noctalia, Niri. God damn it. That's the best news I've heard. Excellent, excellent. Emmy, okay. We could hear the fireworks. Nice, thanks to you guys in the Zero community. Excellent. Notice how many people are waiting for Fedora. We'll be installing Fedora on Friday. Not messing with production setup midweek. That makes sense. I'm going to wait for a bit, I think. Already updated to 44, took 3 hours. When Fedora, that's nothing to do with it being Fedora though. When Fedora 44 comes out, will it be just an update, or do I need to do a fresh? No, it'd be an update. There's an upgrade command that you can run. Yorkshire, up to north, up to Yorkshire, down to pub. I'm sorry. Please don't leave. Moo, wait a minute. Shouldn't I just update from my Fedora? Yes, you can do that. Yeah. Flatpak on, as long as it's not silver blue or something like that. Flatpak on beta gave me a directory. Oh, okay. Well, that's interesting. Johnny Hone, hello, welcome in, bro. I'm gonna be completely honest. You'll sound like ultra Linux fan nerds, and no different from you'll be yapping like it too. I can't take that seriously, and you ban me for freedom speech. Oh boy, we're gonna have one of those days today, aren't we? This isn't. Oh dear. Johnny. Oh, you weren't banned. You were timed out, but now you're banned. Can't even spell. You must be like 10 years old or something, you know. Maybe the maybe age verification is a good thing. We'll get a lot less Johnny Hones. Niri Don, 100%. I will upgrade to Fedora 44. Hang on, I need to make sure. Okay, cool. We're back. Who are you going to report me to? Who the fuck are you going to report me to? Oh. I will upgrade to Fedora after a month or two. Yeah, I'll probably wait maybe 2 weeks. In fact, no, I did say what I was going to do, didn't I? I'm going to wait until the end of May. And I'm going to do a full clean install. LGL, I am an interloper in God's own country. Oh, okay. Banned, yeah, 100%. He'll be back, and then we'll ban that one. And then he'll be back, and he'll ban that one. Linux will see 1B Stadium in Division 2 next year. Will we see 1B Stadium? I don't know what you're talking about. Johnny, I'm going to have to get that belt. Yeah. Go to your room. No, I saved that kind of telling off for only one person who's in chat. Should have mental verification instead of age. Well, yeah, you do raise a point there. I know. Oh no, what's wrong with Johnny? Shaming the name, that guy. Hello, good evening. Hello, Ertu. Welcome on in. Have some fireworks. We're going to report you to Microsoft. I know, right? Smitty, America is God country. Texas, isn't it? Or is it the Deep South? Lashka, hello. First time on your stream. Can you fill me with some info about your setup? OS, desktop environment. It's all on this little window here. Fedora Linux, CachyOS kernel, ZSH shell, AMD Ryzen 7 with the 5700X3D 8-core processor, Radeon RX 9070 XT with 16GB, 32 gigs of RAM, running 10 at the moment. Wayland, Niri, Noctalia, Kitty, and I've been up for 9 hours and 30 minutes. I've got I've used 670. Oh, it was going so well. You can read it. You read it. So next, I might just dual boot Fedora with LGL and Niri Noct just for fun, just to put a smile on that invisible face of yours. Cheers, dude. Microsoft Police, yeah, absolutely. I wonder if they sent them. Yuki, no, Real Horrors, use Kali. I got Kali. Well, I got it in a VM. Yeah, Real Hacks has used Kali. Iron, I just realised it's better to look for a laptop that has full driver support rather than buying any deal laptop and hope that it works. And yeah, I do see a lot of comments around laptops not working properly with different distros. It's like you see it, I see it in the Fedora forums quite a lot where they say, oh, I've got this laptop and yeah, it doesn't work. The Wi-Fi doesn't work, or the touchpad doesn't work, and it's usually driver related. Emmy wants Copilot to rage quit. I actually quite like Copilot. But only in the work setting. Movie says, okay, it might sound crazy, but I was up late today and suddenly my YouTube keeps showing me the news at the White House. Oh yeah, no politics in here. Thank you, Miri. It's Emmy. Zanombi, hello, welcome back. That's 2 times in a row now. What's wrong with you? Are you mad? Good to see you. I see you have sway lock in your Niri config. Do you know Noctalia? Yes, I did know that, but I actually quite like what I've done because I messed about with the sway lock config and I actually quite like what I've done with it. So I've kept it. Emmy says Copilot, how to use CCT. Davel, hello Davel, how you doing? Welcome on in. Good to see you. Running Fedora and Cache on laptop. Downloading Arctics as the new video brought up points on the original Linux. Hopefully avoid the new tracking attempts with age thing. Yeah, you don't need to worry about age thing with systemd, but I understand if you're going to Arctics because of the points around the philosophy of Linux. Face reveal when I retire and this becomes a full-time job. Also, Firefox doesn't let me use any AI, only a few when I'm using Zen normally. Oh, okay. That's weird. Yes, we're boring. So many news sites drowning with it. Who cares? Yeah, we come here to get away from all that shit. Don't like any drama dumping, trolls, any kind of politics. We come here to get away from it. Well, I do. It's my channel, so... will we see $1 billion stadium in Division 2 next year, Tottenham Hotspurs? Don't know, don't care. Not a massive football fan, to be honest. I used to be back in the 2000s when Sky was actually quite a good proposition, and I had Sky Sports and I used to watch it quite religiously on Saturday and Sunday, and if I missed it, obviously match of the day. But yeah, not interested anymore. Linux Dad, I hope you're not disappointed in me. Back on Arch. No, you're fine. I don't give a shit what distro you use so long as it's Linux. Oh, Vaden, laptops have so much obscure shit components. No one can bother making Linux drivers for all that shit, I suppose. Yeah, I'm not sure it's that, but yeah. It's obviously it's a very different proposition, isn't it, with drivers on Linux. I draw the line at football. Bang, crazy, mate. Hemlock went to Arch. Still next reckon he had a dodgy beard. Oh, you can see, you can kind of make me out in my profile pic. That's kind of what I look like. And yeah, I have got a dodgy beard. And it's got grey in it and everything. Baseman banned. So can somebody ban Baseman, please? Basementon. Linux Dad, good afternoon. Hey, JTech's in the house. Hello, JTech. How you doing? Welcome on in. Good to see you. Now, did everyone who are members get fireworks? If I missed, speak now or forever hold your peace. I have got. Do you want to see what I'm cooking up for members? I was going to do it as a surprise, but did I put it in here? Alerts, member. I know we've got the penguin at the moment. Where did I put them? Are they still in my downloads? Where did I put them? I mean, where did I put them? Oh, here we are. So we got this one. Actually, that was looking quite cool. Let's do that again. Bowly bowl in the house. That's cool. That's cool. We got the good old confetti, and then we got this one here. It's pretty cool. I don't know how that's going to look though. That goes with the music as well, doesn't it? So that's what we got cooking up. Yuki, I understand now, Linux Pepper. Oh God. Oh dear. Hi JT, is already putting in the bin. I don't even like sport, but in the early 2000s I'd watch national team games at least. Helps that my national team was freaking was the freaking Justice League. Nice. Yeah, I know. I'm just being a silly goober. No, do you? Actually, I haven't got Arch in my VMs. I don't think. I got fireworks, and I'm not even a member. Wait, what? That was an accident. You shouldn't have got them. Take them back. Give them back to me right now. They're not yours. They belong to the green team. How are you guys? I'm good, thanks, Base. How you doing? Welcome on in. ASDF, hello. It's been a minute. How are you doing? Great to see you. Another kid. Where's another kid? Wait, what? Am I missing something? That is literally me for real. DexMexTex, what distro would be best for streaming and editing videos, as I want to do dual PC setup for streaming. I already picked PicoOS for my gaming. PicoOS is fine. If you're on that already and it's working for you, just use that. Yeah, PicoOS is a good all-round one. And I know, so the Black Dawn used PicoOS for quite a while. I think it's at least 5 days. For Black Dawn, that's quite a while. And yeah, he got on with it fine. And he was doing editing and streaming and that sort of stuff. Right back, have to do my prayers, setting some. No worries, Hemlock. The kind of video people would share in the email. Oh yeah. Skeleton, nice. Dex makes any distro. If you already like Pico, then PicoOS is great. Yeah, that's it, Yuki. ASDF, Ubuntu has the best font rendering anyway. Those are good actually. LG, I know, right? Cool. Pico is pretty good. Nerds just don't like that vibe. Who said nerds? But is this the old dude? Oh, just joking. Okay. I said hi, told you, try Kitty, not reply. Okay. Oh, here we go. We got to the end of the quota already. So how long was that this time? How long did that last? 43 minutes. Oh no, it wasn't that long actually, because I didn't start it straight away, did I? Actually, I can have a look. I'll just quick that out. And go to... So we started it at, oh my God. What time was that? Oh, 27 past, no, that's not right. It must be 27 past 7, so it's UTC. And we're on BST. What's the time now? So not 45 minutes. That lasted 45 minutes. I need to use this chat over here now. Not quite, it doesn't quite look the same, does it? There's a good, I ate my sandwich like it was a sport. Pika Pika. Pika Pikachu! Gabriel Knight, hello. Just finished testing YouTube streaming with AV1 encoder and Twitch locked H264 on my 7900 XT. YouTube is crystal clear while Twitch is slightly pixelated. I don't use, I like to throw the quality at YouTube. So, I mean, I did say if I get like over 100 followers on Twitch, I might do a stream over there. Want something stable, you don't need to worry about as a second PC, Mint or Ubuntu LTS. Ubuntu is 7 gig download, takes a solid half hour to download. Depends on your connection, I'll probably get that in a few minutes. My Fedora install is 8 days old now. Was tinkering. Tinkering. That's kind of what we do around here. Was thinking of going to CachyOS, but could still install Brave native after adding a repo. So Fedora lives. Nice. Got my notification exactly 43 minutes late again. Oh, I wonder if it's because of the API. Oh, okay, no, because you got yours 8 minutes late. Okay. Speaking of browsers, I'm feeling pretty good running Helium. Okay. That's Chromium based, right? See, now my toxic trait has kicked in where I want to download it to see how long it takes. Oh, 60 megs. Ooh, ouch. Do wish there was more than just app image. So JTech, there you go. JTech, there is more than just app. You have the bin and you have the packages of Helium. There you go. Hi chat. Hey Zezero, how are you doing? Welcome back. 2 days in a row. You are also mad. Thank you. I'm lucky I got fibre here. 1006. Yeah, I've got, mine varies actually. Let me get rid of my config. Bearing in mind I'm streaming and I'm sending 25,000 whatever it is up to YouTube right now. And it's peak time. It's a bit slower than normal. Chesmo, hello, welcome on in. Chesmo Konnichiwa. I just updated my server to Resolute Raccoon. Now got HDR available with Sunshine Moonlight, so gaming upstairs now looks better. HDR? Yeah, whatever. I've got HDR. I've never turned it on. I can't now because I'm on Niri, but Noctalia. So LGL, are you liking my home lab page? Yeah, it looks cool, dude. I've not really looked into it that much. I've just like saw you post them up and then told you off for posting them in the wrong place. But other than that, I've not really looked into it, mate. I've been quite busy today. I don't mind being called a nerd or a geek, as long as it's not derogatory. As long as it's not derogatory, then I don't mind. You can call me anything as long as it's like not derogatory. Fiber would be cheap, but install costs in an old build. Oh yeah, true. Crit chance is Chromium base, comes with real U block origin. Nice. Zen isn't Zen. Oh no, Zen is Mozilla, isn't it? Ertu, I missed some of the reason what made you like Ubuntu. Basically, it's framework are selling more Ubuntu laptops than they are Windows. And it's for that reason alone that my mind has been very, very slightly changed. Gabrielle, not worth it. Twitch is way behind the video encoder, at least for AMD users. Well, yeah, true, actually. I did used to stream on Twitch quite a lot back in the day, but not anymore. Ramsey's in the house. Hello, welcome on in. Welcome for Fedora. Oh, did you see that jump then? Zen. Yeah, that's it, Firefox. Do you know what? If I was... Sorry, if Zen allowed me to go horizontal with the tabs, I'd be on it. Brah. Helium is good, but need tab sync. I use Vivaldi. Best browser I've ever used. Still keeping an eye on Ladybird though. What is Vivaldi built on? How are we doing for chat? We're doing fine for chat. I should do something really. Should we do a spin the wheel in a minute? Also, I'm very jealous of you guys having fast internet. Mine can't even get. Oh, damn. Algio, if you had an OLED monitor, you'd need to try HDR. Yeah, it just makes it brighter. That's all it does. No, I know it does. I know it clears it up and makes it sharper and all that sort of stuff. And maybe if I did have an OLED monitor, I would consider it. But on my current monitor, which does have HDR, it doesn't make enough of a difference for me to get excited about it. Chesmo Konnichiwa. I'm a 70s baby, so I've had Windows since version 1. I too am as well, and I've had Windows since it was before Windows. It had a 3 at the start. Well, that was Windows, wasn't it? But you know, favorite Windows version. Flight Simulator 2024 took 3 days to download. Now, back in the day when I used to download copies of games that I actually owned, and I am doing speech marks with my fingers right here. On a 56k modem, I used 600 meg files. Used to take 2 or 3 days. Zero Linux upstream though. Yeah, that allows me to do the YouTube at the quality that I'm doing it at. You might want to try custom CSS for Firefox. It's very similar to Zen, but also has horizontal tabs. I quite like it. But no, I want to move away from Firefox. Can't live without it. Vivaldi is Chromium. Right, okay, cool. Yes, it has. I'm glad you added that at the start, Zezio, because I would not had no idea which one was Chromium. Yes, it has. It's even hiding tabs and search aside. Okay. Spin the wheel. Yeah, we're going to do that. I have 6 systems. My house, all Linux, Ubuntu, Bazi, Mint. Never going back to Microsoft. Good. AAP Gamer, welcome on in. Good to see you. Why 4 Firefox? Because I've got... That's a good question, actually. Why have I got 4? Oh, this is classed as 1. A speed test. I've got my stream one over here. And I've got this random one over here as well, which I've got no idea what... Yeah, so we've got a random one over here. Should we get rid of that one? There we go. Down to 3 now. And I don't like them stacking because I like to be able to click and go straight to them. Ubuntu is very stable. My work PCs are Ubuntu APT best package manager after Patman. No, DNF is much better. This config. What's the oldest game you still play? Holy shit, crit chance. What's the... I don't know. Sensible Soccer. I don't think I've got it installed now though, because it was Sensible Soccer for a while. My first computer was a 386 with Windows 3.1, DOS 6.622, 72 megabyte hard drive, 8-bit. Oh wow. Anadius paid Sims 4. Wait, what? Memmaker, I mean. Oh, Memmaker. Okay, yeah. 56k modem. Luxury, I remember. 28. Hello, Mike. Welcome back. Good to see you. Now, you got a gifted. I'm a little bit two minds whether I should give you fireworks or not, because you were gifted that, but I'm going to let it slide. You can have some fireworks, because you're green. 60 megabytes per second. Actually, I'm installing Ubuntu on my work PC. It's not going to be possible. Staff will kill me. Right. Okay. Sensible soccer. Damn. Yeah, I know, right? Sticking with Firefox. Play Freedom Frenzy. I'm also sticking with Firefox. I don't want to use Chromium. I still use Netscape for my browsers. Nice. 8-bit computers before x86. For the win. Yeah. Back in it. Right. We're going to do a spin. We are going to do a spin of the wheel. So what I need to do is I need to close that. Now I thought I had one open somewhere. Maybe I didn't. Spin. Spin the wheel. I can't even type today. Spin the wheel. Here we go. Wait, let's go. Oh, hang on. Let me put that in the center.
Spin the wheel. Hold your breath. Luck decides what destroys next.
What we got? 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 Vipnix. What the hell is Vipnix? Vipnix Live CD is a portable Linux distribution built on the legacy of Gen 2 Linux, Fun2, and Macaroni OS. It combines Gen 2's source-based optimization, Fun2's innovative tools, and Macaroni OS's modern container-friendly approach. Vipnix integrates the lightweight AlexQt desktop environment and the educational XLibra X11 server into a live operating system designed for enthusiast professionals and system recovery tasks. It's developed by Vipnix, a Brazilian IT solutions company specializing in customized infrastructure, cybersecurity, data protection, and biotechnology. Where's the website? Homepage. We'll translate you. It's from Source. It's on SourceForge. We're not doing that. Next. I have a rule that we don't do the SourceForge ones.
Spin the wheel. Hold your breath. Luck decides what destroys next.
Okay. I'm just going to bring that to there. We're just going to release this from Tiling Hell, and then we'll bring you over here. It dropped for a second then. Am I back? It looks like I'm back. Hemlock, that's funny. I just want to make sure I'm back. Oh, okay, we're back. Okay, cool. Yep, I think you're back. Yep, you're back. Yep, back. Yep, we back. Source for DDoS. Well, it seems like I have to go now. I hope everyone has a... Thank you very much, Mui. Take care. Thought that was me. No, I just... something just dropped. The OBS just dropped. I'm catching up now. Thanks, Smitty. Thought it was me. Long tail of obscure distros no one has heard of. Rip computer, if he lands on Gen 2 or Source Mage. I've got a Gen 2 installed already, dude. You're back. I am back. I'm back. All good, brother. Proceed. Notice your audio stutter. My audio's good now, though, right? Actually, the owner. Thoughts of Jerry Beast being the dev of GNOME and Make Desktop. Don't care. Don't know who that is. Don't really care. 41 viewers. Most have seen and once again. Thanks, dude. Have you tried Aeron OS? Their MOS next gen package man. No, I haven't. Maybe one day we will get to it. Just name your first programming language. Mine was Cobalt. None. I'm not a developer. I'm not a programmer. Oh, Basic though. I did learn Basic actually. A bit of it. Years and years ago. I had a BBC Micro. Why do you suddenly really like Ubuntu? It's to do with the framework laptops outselling with Ubuntu over Windows. That's the only reason. And it's a little bit of clickbait, so sorry about that. It'd be nice if you stayed around though. Actually, you should look up Jeremy. Dude, I don't care. I really don't care. Don't bring that shit to my channel. I don't care. It's somebody else's problem. Hit 4K. Yeah, I did, didn't I? It's brilliant. Yes, LGO is becoming popular. Oh, I don't know about that. Just do the top 150s to avoid gives. No, that's the whole point. I literally copied and pasted all of them, JTech. For that very reason. My only rules are if it's on SourceForge, I probably won't do it. But it gets me to see their names and like know what they are and that sort of thing. One of the most highly sought dev jobs, BBC Micro. Yeah, I know, right? It's good fun. Some of the Dell laptops could be purchased with Ubuntu in the past. Yeah, I know, but I'm more of a fan of framework than. I like the philosophy of framework over Dell. Dell is a very different proposition. I mean, I've got a Dell work laptop and it does the job, but I'll never buy a Dell laptop. Syntax error. What WM even is this? Looks like some sort of gnome. No, it's Niri and Noctalia. There we go. 2. So it's there, look. Right there in the middle of the screen. I feel like I should know why you won't do SourceForge stuff, but somehow I don't. Purely because it just takes so long. Unless you've got like some kind of paid thing, it would be wait, sorry. Yeah, unless you have the paid one, it throttles your downloads. I will never understand Niri, will I? I don't know. Just try it. Just spin up a VM and give it a go. Right, let's do the next one. Paldo. Paldo. I don't want to do that. Paldo. Oh, for God's sake. Paldo Linux. Downloads. We didn't look what it was actually. Paldo is a UPKG driven GNU Linux distribution. It's kind of a mix of a source and a binary distribution. Even though it builds packages like source distribution, it provides binary packages. Paldo aims to be simple, pure, up to date, and standards compliant. Okay. So we go to downloads, and then we'll grab. It's an image though. Can you use image? In we'll try it. So Smitty's HP Elite book works great with Zero Linux. Nice. It has zero issues. Let's see what you did there. Last one sounded like modern Pokemon. Now this one sounds like a movie dog name. That deserves a laugh. I hate Riot Games. Man, they really have to add Vanguard. Random, but welcome on me, Mintoranta. You're living up to your name when your first comment is, I hate Riot Games. That's like top quality rant right there. Nomish. I am disappointed. I thought these spins would be debauchery or summit. It's also very good that Lenovo, the biggest computer manufacturers, have made 60% of their laptops to ship with Linux now. And if you want Windows, you have to manually choose it and pay extra. Yeah, that is cool. Zezio, is that a good thing though? Vanguard on Linux. That'd be funny. Right, okay, let's have a look. Is that downloaded? Yeah, of course that's done. So we're going to go to a clean screen. Well, I do need to bring you with me. Actually, I'm going to put you over there. And then we're going to go down to... Let me just close off that. Don't need that. That's taking up memory. Right, that should be full screen for you. Excellent. We'll add a new one. Oh no, first things first. I need to move it, don't I? Move you over there for the minute. We'll go to downloads. We'll grab you and stick you in distros with the rest of them. Bring you back to the middle. We can get rid of you. So I want to make sure it's in the middle. There we go. Oh, this is a new track. Generic 8192. Give it 4 CPUs, 25 gig. What was this one called? Paldo Linux. We're just going to put the old 3D XL on with a little touch of OpenGL. See what happens. Well, there we go. I remember I used to think that FreeDOS was a euphemism. Yeah. Yeah, it takes a bit getting used to for the workflows for window managers. Well, I can try again with switching with Fedora. You can do both though. You can have both on, dude. Just stick it on and see if you like it, and if not, just uninstall it. Yeah, I've got a debloated Fedora. It's only bloated if you don't use it. Right. So next, I'm not going to be faffing around trying to get shit to work. By the way. Right, next, where were we? Oh, my eyes! Right, hang on.
Spin the wheel. Hold your breath.
You don't have to debloat it, no.
What
It's KDE and it's the desktop environments that make them really big. Shanios. Linux. So whilst that's doing that, and we'll have a look at that in a second. If I go back down to here, if I open up this one here, look. So this is a fresh Fedora install. And if I go, DF, hang on, let me make it bigger for you. I will put it in the middle. Make it bigger. No, I don't want to do that. Oh, I can't make it bigger. Why can't I make it bigger? No. DF -H. So this installs 3.5 gig in total. So that's just it's a lightweight one because it doesn't have KDE and all of that stuff on it, or GNOME. Where were we? What was it called? Shanios Immutable Linux. Ooh, this looks promising. It's pretty colours. I like the background, although it is very AI. Look, you can tell. Download free. Your files, apps and settings are always untouched, built on reliability whether you're a home user, a developer, a gamer or a corporate fleet. Made in India. Okay. .8 gig. Let me bring chat into the center frame for a second. Let me just bring that up. Actually, I'll put it there. We just do this, look. Oh, we can put that back into tiling. Right, so I'm going to catch up on chat. I need to bring you over here though, so I can actually see what's going on. How don't Nick SOS, let's go. When I tried getting Sway to work, I started everything. I'm pretty sure I have like 5 audio servers running. All right. What are you in these distros? I know, they're just random stuff. I love it. Shania sounds like the Karen of Linux. I don't like KDE for that reason. Also, it's a bit sluggish. Death Metal on Ubuntu Christian Edition. How much memory at boot? About 2 something. 2.7, I think it was. Now this one sounds like a shampoo brand from Greece. I see, Arch based. Are you on Hyperland? No, I'm on Niri Noctalia. Damos, welcome on in, dude. Good to meet you. Thanks for coming in. Nothing wrong with claw code. All of my apps are 100% vibe coded, but intelligently prompted. Lord of Gaming Wide. So, are you a Ubuntu fan now? Yeah, kind of. Only because framework and the fact. Sorry, everybody. It's going to happen all night now. I might change the title, but you know, it's creating engagement. I quite like that. Yeah, so Framework are selling more Ubuntu laptops than they are Windows, and I think that's good. So that's the only reason I put that in the title. Sorry. Why is that matching your color scheme? Because that's Noctalia. So if I go and grab a different wallpaper and do that, go slightly purple if I go to that one, go slightly blue if I do that one, go slightly purple, do that one, go slightly orange, do that one, Goes blue. We do that one. Goes a different shade of blue. It's very cool. We're going to go to the moon. We're going to the moon now. Lord of Gaming, hello. Good morning, chaps. Hey, Genpai, how you doing? Welcome in. Good to see you. That sounds like an overpriced dishwasher detergent. Got to look into that. Yeah, Niri Noctalia. Very, very cool. And if you use VMs, I've got a really cool script that you can use to do it all for you. You just need to know how to install the base Fedora. In it says, I'm love being back on Niri. I really missed the scrolling when I was on Hyperland. Hyperland scrolling isn't near as good as Niri scrolling. I think it's that's got me hooked, to be honest. Syntax, I imagine buying a framework, wanting to try the free Linux, and then seeing the advert for Ubuntu freaking Pro. Yeah, if I bought a framework, it wouldn't have Ubuntu on it, that's for sure. Quick chance, I'm not going to lie, I wouldn't have much of an issue with Ubuntu if it wasn't for snaps. Well, go and check my live streams, Quick chance. I did an actual stream, and I think I'll put it in the chapters as well, so you can go straight to it, where I installed the Ubuntu beta and removed GNOME and put KDE on it, and then removed Snap and put Flatpak on it. Yeah, no, absolutely. Are those Artemis ones? Yes, they are. Yes, they are. Let's go and have a look at one, shall we? There we go. I need to chat back. I can't live without chat. I know you can say people that buy framework hopefully know what they're doing. Yeah. Damos, how do games run on Niri? Any issues with Windows scaling? I don't do Windows scaling, so I wouldn't know. They work great in full screen, but I am having some issues. So I've got an ultra wide. So if I just go to here and just do that and do that, that's my current setup. So I've got an ultra wide on the left and a ultra wide vertically on the right. So I normally play like that, right? So that's my full screen. So when I play games in ultra wide, it works perfectly. But I do like to stream and play games in 16:9, right? And I did have trouble on KDE. I'm not going to lie. Some games just didn't like you playing it in 16:9. If you're on an ultra wide, it just automatically stretched it out for the ultra wide. I'm having a little bit more of an issue like that on Niri than I was on KDE. Oh, Yuki, thank you. Take care. Hopefully you heard that before you went. I just caught that one. I'm debating buying a framework or a Steambox. Get Steambox. There you go. Retro Travo, hello, welcome in. Finally, my weekend is complete, playing some Valheim and watching LGL. Nice. I haven't tried Valheim for a while actually. Basically, Windrose is a pirate Valheim. Genpai, LGL, rising his setup. Weird things happening everywhere. The end times must be near. I know, right? Steam Machine, yeah, Steam Machine's got to be in it. I mean, they're both cool kid. They're both cool kid things, but oh my god! I just opened up a new fresh terminal. It looks horrible. We've got to change that. There we go. That's better. TJ Wolf, hello, welcome on in. Hey Linux Gamer Life, how are you doing? I'm doing great, thank you. How are you? I love Terminal. How'd you get it like that? That is Kitty. And Kitty, you need to learn a little bit about Kitty configs. And basically, so it's a mixture. You've asked a question now. You've opened up a rabbit hole. So it's Kitty terminal using ZSH and oh my ZSH. I've got the Power 10K set up and I've customized it. I don't know if I've got it still here. if I go kwrite without like a spell, where is it? Where is it? I think it's just in here, isn't it? So it's basically power level 10k, and my let me just, I'll get rid of that one. I'm just going to stick that in the middle for a sec, and then we can move that there. So it's, hang on, move it to there. So basically I'll just set all this up with different colours. I've got my, I'm using toilet for the header. Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm using toilet for the header, and then I'll just set all this up with some arrays. Some of the arrays, pretty much most of them are automatic except the GPU, because the GPU still doesn't present properly, and it's just all done in that. And you can get ChatGPT or Codex to help you out, or Claude to help you out with that. That's what I did. Only issue I have with Ubuntu is that they introduced many vulnerabilities when they rewrote the GNU utils for no reason. The Rust thing, there's that too. What machine are you on? Like GPU. So I don't know if you can see that. 5700 XCD and a 9070 XT. What machine? For untampered GNOME, you can use Fedora. Ubuntu is pointless in my point of view. As I say, and I'm going to say it again, I'm going to keep saying it, Ubuntu does have a place in this world. I think for people that are new to Linux, or in the business environment where it has all of the tools that you need to control it better, it has a place in that world. It just doesn't have a place in my world. Make a product with no customers. I think that's not quite right there, Emmy. They have quite a large market share, Ubuntu. It's one of the most popular distros out there. Me want Steambox now. Me want Steambox 2. GabeCube, 100% GabeCube. Great, it's nerd time. Firing up Claude, create a new project called LGL, Linux Game Listener. Oh my ZS8 theme, are you on? Don't know. Did I have it open? Oh yeah, power level 10k. So we're 9,000. Lord Gaming, White YouTube. When is LGS OS coming? Well, the thing is, I like Fedora, as you all know. I'm gonna skip this song actually because it's a little bit much. As you know, I quite like Fedora, and I create bootstraps for them. So I don't feel like I need to, but maybe one day. Molvaden says, yo, we have exactly the same PC specs now. CPU, GPU, and amount of RAM. Nice. Have his voice tweet sound like Arnold? Might do that. Funny to hear I'm using toilet for the header. Hey Velocity, welcome on in, good to see you. British Arnold. Well, I'm gonna be right back, so it's gonna be ages before I catch up with the chat, but I will be right back. Hang in there. Am I back? I think I'm back. Let's just check. Backity back. Yes, I'm back. Oops. Where did I get to? Oh my god. Which channel? Depends really what. I read that as Legolas. LGL really has gone Super Saiyan. Crit chance, why not? Maybe better name. Okay, cool. Thanks. No worries, dude. Ubuntu has a place on my Raspberry Pi. The rest is Fedora's job. Nice. Most of my servers are Ubuntu server. Yeah, cool. So it has a place in the world. More of a toy for yeah. I'm slowly catching up. Your desktop environment looks really nice now, Mr. Hackerman. Just curious, did you do the? I did do the throbber. Yeah. You're gonna see that I thought about. Where did I put it? Can't remember. Where does the throbber live? It's going to be in etc, right? Where does the throbber live on Fedora? User share icons, user share name shell theme. Fedora KDE. It's not a cursor. Why is it telling me about a cursor? Has anyone answered for me? Oh my god, there's so much chat I need to catch up with. I did do the throbber, Genpie, and I'll come back to that in a second. LG Adora coming to you. I've already registered the domain name for it, but I think I'm a little bit away from that. Once you stop thinking like a Linux beginner, it's hard to imagine the struggle new users will face. Absolutely, yeah. I mean, I'm a year in, so I've still got a little bit of an idea. And if it wasn't for LLMs, I probably would be a little bit further away. Yeah, I mean, yeah, I don't know with that the whole Google thing. Especially with the built-in AI now. I never had problems as a beginner. When I used Ubuntu as a child, I didn't know anything to do, so I just sat in GIMP and mind test. Nice. I don't know why I shouldn't know. It's my job to help others distro maintainer. Yeah, I think. Well, Emmy, the challenge there is it's not about being lazy. It's about context and comprehension. So you can look at something that comes up on Google, and to one person it makes complete sense, but without the right context and without your own comprehension, it can be a real challenge. ASDF, many seem to treat Reddit as their personal AI chat prompt nowadays. Well, the problem is, it's because when you type it into Google and it comes up with the AI, it will link you to Reddit. So then people go to Reddit to get the context and get the sort of an idea. Oh, Emmy, I've pretty much used I've used AI pretty much as the whole source of my main information for my Linux journey. I hate to say it, but I mean, I like being honest. You know, the moment when oh no, I was a little bit vaguer back there. Vaguer? Vaguer, is that a word? A little bit more vague. But yeah, no, when was this? This was 10th of July. And I was just talking about how I used ChatGPT to help me on my journey. It's a lot easier. Where am I? Don't know why I shouldn't be. I mainly seem to treat Reddit, but I read that one. I avoid Reddit. It used to be nice to use, but I have any issues, I just hit up the forum for the distro I'm using, or bother the guys in the Discord. And you're more than welcome to, Smitty. If I can help, I will, but there's normally somebody in there who can help you. Good thing about when it comes to Linux troubleshooting, even it'll mess up sometimes. At least it won't belittle you, 100%. Well, I think a lot of so you got to think about the different personalities online, right? You might find that seven times out of 10 they're not attempting to belittle you. It's just how it comes across in text. And I think that's always a challenge when you're dealing with people online. And I struggle with it sometimes with chat, but you guys are all cool, so it's fine. But we can very quickly spot people that aren't cool. But yeah, it's very difficult sometimes to read through the lines, and sometimes it might make you feel like you're being belittled, but it's just their personality. You know, as I say, 100% vibe coded, intelligently prompted, and that's the key. If you're not intelligent with your prompting, then you're going to get shit out of it. And if you rely heavily on the free ones, which I'm lucky enough not to, you're going to get shit out of it. Good thing about Claude's pretty good. Yeah, I've been using all of my apps are pretty much made with Claude. Stopped my Hyperland config, went mostly right. Yeah, nice. I have started using ChatGPT for learning new things, but will never use it as a search engine. I am actually, so I've got a thing that I do with so I download, so I've got a tool. Let me show you my tool. And that's not a euphemism, because that's terms of service. So I'm going to go to my tools. I've got my Linux Creator backup. I'm still working on. Oh, actually, I've got the. I think I've got the app image now, so we just use that. So, so I'm going to launch that. Just move that over there. What we're going to do is we're going to move that over there. We're going to get rid of that. We're going to center that. We're going to get rid of that. And we're going to get rid of that. And we're going to center that. Make that bigger, and center that. Oops. So basically what I can do is I can go to I'm just going to grab this here. I'm going to grab the subtitles from this video. I'm going to grab the English. So you go. I've now got the subtitles for that. I can open up the output folder. I've now got the subtitles for that video. And I can copy and paste that into ChatGPT and say, can you summarize it for me? Because I ain't going through all of that. I'm working it all out. You know? For when I do my descriptions and stuff like that. And I'm thinking about doing that more. That's bright, isn't it? That's a bright one. Let's go for that one. Oh, we're going to go for that one. So yeah, quite like it for that sort of stuff. Chatbot needs spice prompts. Yeah, pretty good. I started using ChatGPT for that. Gemini is my Linux. Hi there, the mightiness. How you doing? Welcome on in. Gemini is my Linux sysadmin around the house. Monitors and keyboard config. But I finally figured something out by doing the exact opposite of what it was telling me. Yeah, you got to be really careful with it, because the problem with AI is it's very confident in what it's telling you. You can say to it like, no, you're wrong. and it will go, oh yeah, sorry about that. It's like, for fuck's sake. Syntax error. Do you like your voice when watching your own videos? Hell no. Can't wait till the AI bubble pops. Hardware prices go down and actual real use for AI settles in. Yeah, I can't either. Good thing I started before AI. Learned everything from YouTube. Nice. Yeah, YouTube's a good source. I have used Google AI overview to give me ideas when troubleshooting Pulse Audio and Pipewire. Yeah. It's just quicker, right? I mean, so if I had a problem, let's say with ZSH, right? I could go onto forums, maybe go onto Reddit and ask a question, but I might not know what it is that I'm trying to ask. So you can be really vague. You can be really vague in LLMs, and it kind of breaks through that vagueness and gives you some kind of response that helps you to sort of start asking more intelligent questions. It's very difficult to do that when you go onto Reddit and ask a very vague question, because what's the first thing that's going to happen is you're going to get shit because you're asking a vague question, but you don't know what question you need to be asking yet. So that's where the power of LLMs comes in, is it helps you to be vague and kind of get to the answer. So yeah. I don't miss the feeling of finding the answer to the exact question I have in some forum, as I try to follow the steps and notice it's not matching my UI. So I look at it and it's ancient. Yeah. But the AI does that as well. It comes back with questions. So a lot of Fedora stuff, when you're talking about DNF, it will give you the syntax from DNF, not DNF5. See, and unless you know that, you're going to be typing these DNF commands into terminal, and it's going to just error. And that's the sorts of things that you pick up and learn as you go. Reddit sold their DB to AI companies, hence recipes for pizza swapping cheese for glue. Oh my god, the chat just jumped again. Tool reveal, let's go. I think I have to give Niri a try. This is really neat. It is very neat. I do like it a lot. Oh, I'm on the wrong screen. Oh no, I need to close that one. Why do you think the top comment in ProtonDB is always Niri? Wait, what? Oh, sorry. The only thing I really use AI for is sifting through a large amount of data at once. AI is worthless for actually making decisions. Yeah, no, you got to own the decisions, right? AI and LLMs are just tools. You still need to take accountability and responsibility for its output. I don't know the context of that question, syntax error, sorry. There are several free courses online that you can take to learn how to ask the right way to get proper answers in AI. Yeah, I suppose content creator stuff, 100%. That works until the subtitle thing that Don Rickles and Tommy Pickles are the same person. Yeah, that is a problem. AI is nerd mansplaining. Quick chart, Don Rickles. I don't know who Don Rickles is, but thank you for that. I'm going to have to look at that at some point. Another issue is that AI will feed you the data that is extremely outdated and not helpful to... Yeah, absolutely. You've got to cut through the bullshit, and that's hard. But yeah, Reddit's not a nice place to be. I mean, I've got a subreddit. Hardly ever use it. I used to use it to post up my videos and stuff like that, so it might appear in the search, but I don't really use it for anything. When starting with Niri, but already knowing simple writing, make a quick shell or use something like Noctalia. Also, how does the customization on Noctalia work? You've got two ways. You can either do it through the GUI. So you've got quite an extensive GUI here with different settings and stuff, or you can do it through Actually, I'll put that side and we'll bring that one over here. And then we're going to go into home.conf and then we'll go to Noctalia. So you can do it through settings, open. So you've got all your settings there. If you want to go in and do it manually. You've got your colours set up. Okay, right. So you can set all your colours. But I let the actual app do that itself. Hemlock, I like the idea of Niri and Hyperland. I just can't be asked with the setup. It's pretty straightforward. There's really two commands. Oh yeah, the setup. Yeah, no, you're right. Once you've installed it, you have got to set it up. There is no doubt about that. But once it is set up, it really feels like it's yours because you spent so. I don't think I want to look up Don Rickles. I'll come back to you on that, quick chance. I have found that if you use AI which have an access to the internet, to always ask it to look at the internet to get the information for whatever I'm trying to figure out. Yeah, that can help as well, actually. Oh yeah, I know what Proton DB is, but I don't understand that. It says looking up for games and checking the experiences of other Linux users is really useful if you want to buy a game. Yeah, I know that. Sorry, I knew what that part was. I do know that. In fact, just. How do I bring up the there it is, Proton DB. It's in my bookmarks. See, I knew what it was. It was just the Niri the Niri comment. Thanks, Zero. Quick chance, these kids can't handle the old school comedians. Let's not even mention Carlin or Hicks. Also remember to tell AI not to make things up. Yeah. Don't make it up. Don't bullshit me. Can't bullshit a bullshitter. So you don't get made up bullshit. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, I didn't understand the context in terms of Niri. Or did I read your question wrong? So why do you think the top comment in Proton DB is always Niri? It's the is always Niri bit that I didn't get, dude. Hey Andre, welcome on in. No, this is Niri and Noctalia. So Niri Window Manager, Noctalia Shell. You can see more there. On most games, is somebody giving really great and extensive launch arguments, and it is always somebody using Niri. Okay. I use launch arguments too. We're supposed to be doing spin the wheel, aren't we? If we look at my launch arguments for that. If we look at it for that one. It's mainly Mango HUD for all of them. I don't know where that. I don't know why I keep getting a blue flashbang, you know. Some are great comedians. Joe. Probably meant Niri related. Yeah, I think for now PicoOS is the best Debian Ubuntu based distro. That's a little bit of a contradiction there, dude. Ben, hello Ben Carver, welcome in. Ubuntu is Debian based. Pika is Debian based. Pika is not Ubuntu based. Oh, I already explained. Sorry, I was AFK. I didn't see. No worries. Don't fall into the media bullshit. Yeah, let's not talk about politics, Hemlock. That's a hole I don't want to be going down. Of the rabbit kind. What do Mango HUD do? It gives you a little bit of control over your games. So I like to use it for two things. One is to get an idea on how a game is performing. And two is I use it to lock frames rather than the game. Oh, sorry. Hey, Andre. Welcome on in. Good to see you, dude. I see you have an RX 9070 XT. Have you tried using the KVM discrete GPU pass-through? No. I do use KVM, but I don't use a discrete pass-through. I have no need for Windows, but I do use it for might as well start this one again, ain't I? I'm still here. It's gone dark. I still got that double mouse. I haven't worked that out yet. I don't think there's anything. I don't know why I booted this one up. There's nothing on it. Oh, actually, no, we have got some stuff on here. Let's go wallpapers, 4K. We're going to go images. It's always these ones, isn't it? Which is horrible. Let's go to size, large. Let's try that one. Go save image as. We're going to go back to there. Oh, it hasn't even got. It hasn't even got a pictures folder. It's that light. Go over to here, go into here. Paper. There we go. So this is in the VM. Go back to chat. Where's chat gone? I've lost chat. Chat, where are you? I found you. It's all good. I found you. Mango HUD is Windows Game Bar. No, it's not. Just so everyone knows, Niri Don, otherwise at the back Don, infected LGL with Niri Knock. Now LGL is fexing us with his awesome personality naming. I see. Yeah. Okay. Thanks, dude. Will you upgrade to? Oh, hey, hi, Stefan. How you doing? Will you upgrade to 44? Yes, I will. Well, I probably won't upgrade to it. I'm thinking about doing a fresh install at the end of May, because this one has been going now since May the 30th. Oh yeah, I know, Hemlock. Sorry, I don't want to talk about all the shit that's happening in the world. And I'm sorry that I missed the Monty Python quote. That is very bad of me. Hopefully I've earned some of those minus 100 points back. If you need to overclock in AMD GPU, use LACT. Yes. Syntax. I'm going to go off now. Great stream, and your voice is not that bad. Thank you. Take care. Install Gentoo. What a random comment. Hey Austin, welcome on in. Good to see you. Oh, I haven't done Gentoo yet. I thought I had actually. I've done Slackware and BSD, FreeBSD, but not Gentoo yet. I'm saving that one. Let me just shut that down. It's using up my RAM. Where are we? I don't feel like I've done anything tonight. It's been cool. Just been sat here reading chatting with you guys. It's freaking fucking awesome. Gen 2 on a microwave sounds like a Bring a Studio video. It sounds like a cool band name, actually. Right, I know this might upset some of you, but sorry, it's a you problem. Write let's move this over here. A disco style song about Gen 2 on a microwave, as in Linux. Make sure to include pineapple on, can't spell, it doesn't matter, on pizza. Any other topics we want to include in this song? Wait, you did Slackware and survived? Yeah, it was alright. It was hard. The problem I was having with Slackware is that I'm so entrenched with System D that I was struggling for a bit. Smitty, today will be this is rage bait. Today will be an awesome. No, it's not rage bait. The census was, or the consensus was, that it was okay. So there we go. Fire department on speed dial. Okay, we can do that. Oh my god, no! The worst use of AI is anything artistic. If this is music, I'm out. It will be music. Sorry, Hemlock. It's a bit like that one is.
In the comments section with LGL.
And that one is.
Spin the wheel. Hold your breath. Luck decides what distros next.
So yeah, sorry, Hemlock. If you're not a fan of this stuff, then apologies. So yeah, fire department on speed dial. Yeah, I might lose a few people here, but you know, it's fun. I can't even see where it is. Where is it gone? Oh, is that it? No, is that where is it gone? Huh. I'm missing a browser somewhere. Oh, it's there. Hello, Toroida Moments. I got a lot of AI royalty money from AI learning my music. Cool, good to hear. So my attitude towards AI music has changed after that. Nice. I swear LGA has no bad ideas. I'm an idea person. That's very interesting, Toroida, actually. It's unusual to hear that from artistic people, you know. And what do you use to produce? I am a bit of a fan of the old Ableton Live. What do you use, dude? AI music, I swear. My attitude toward, yeah, that's cool. Bit of an Ableton fan myself. I'm not going to do anything on it though, because it's on my Mac, but I thought I'd share that with you so we can relate. You know? What was I doing? Oh yeah, Suno. Oh no, I need to go to ChatGPT first, don't I? There. Create the style prompt 2. That is really good to hear, dude. It needs to be shorter than that. 1 verse, 1 chorus. Hold on to your hats, people. Hold on to your hats. I'm not even going to read it. Don't read it. Don't read it. Don't read it. Don't read it. We're going to do lyrics goes in there. I'm going to drop the style in there. Brace yourselves. So yeah, I got. Oh, sorry. Where's the volume?
Your breath, lock decides what destroys next. Spin the wheel, hold your breath. Lock decides what destroys next. In the comments section.
See, if I wanted to do that, I've got my credits refunded. If I wanted to do that, it costs a lot of money, and for like 7 seconds.
In the comments section.
I quite like this one. So let's see what's come up with. Gen 2 microwave disco. You ready?
Gen 2 on the microwave, booting up tonight. Kernel in the kitchen and the LEDs are bright. Pineapple on pizza, sitting by my side. Fire department on speed dial, just in case the sparks collide. The toaster's running updates, the fridge is feeling bold, the coffee machine is compiling, the house is overheating slow. Smoke alarm keeps singing, but the party will not stop. If this thing finishes emerge, we're taking it to the top. Gen 2 on a microwave, disco in the danger zone. Fire department on speed dial in case it starts to blow. Gen 2 on a microwave, Colonel panics, now we dance. Pineapple pizza on the side, and we're taking every chance.
Right, hang on. Death metal version. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh no, you started something now, chat. You started something now. Right, death metal version. Same lyrics though. RICS, but new style. STYLE style prompt. I can't even type. Oh my god. Let's put that on whilst we're waiting. Gen 2 death metal. My typing is terrible today. And then what we're going to do next? What was the next? Cross it with Spirit Box Holy Roller. What's that? What's Spirit Box Holy Roller? I don't know what that is, but we're gonna do it. I feel like today is Fafo Friday, Fafo Sunday. Oh, is it? Right, okay. Is that a band, or because it won't like it if I put band names in? Fear Night is back. Hello. So you can sing along. Hey, Velocity! Right, we're only going to do one of each because otherwise it's going to get a little bit hectic. Oh, hang on. No, this one is going to be... I just want to do that whilst it's making them. So is that metal too? Or... Oh yeah, you can have all of these dudes. What was it? Inkia Impulse. Is that a band name? Okay, cool. So what am I doing now? Yeah, it needs to be. It's a song name, right? Okay. So it's still death metal. So it's Gen 2 death metal 2. Let's do that. That just made my day. Oh my god, these names. Band Oso. Yeah, it doesn't like it when you put band names in. Right, this one. Sing along now. You can totally tell it's AI. I've lost about 14 people. Yeah, Spirit Box one, yeah. I'm headbanging right now. But we need to mix it up. Need to definitely mix it up. So how are we going to mix it up? 80s synthwave. There we go. We've got to do an 80s synthwave because that's for me. 80s synthwave. Prompt. Only. Female main got nerfed, yeah. A Linux battle song. Oh, something's happened. I know we're good. Definitely for me, this one. I'll send all of these. I'll put all of these in the... This is the last one, though. It's the last one. Okay? Don't forget, you've got to sing along for this one. Oh, it's done already. Right, here we go. No more death metal. Maybe not. I'm just going to send them direct. Because as you can see, I've got quite a few. So no, let's not share the AI ones in there. Let's keep it to real music on the Discord. But I'll send these to you directly.
Fire department on speed dial, just in case the sparks collide. The toaster's running updates, the fridge is feeling bold, the coffee machine is compiling, the house is overheating.
Oh, hello, Sharktooth. Sorry. Good to see you, dude. That's quite cool. I feel like it could be at a Linux party. Oh, a Linux party DJ. Right, that's all the AI. That's all. That's it now. That's all. We're done. Members, you can make requests. Okay. In the Discord, of course. Aha, take on me. Yeah, that's a good spot, Emmy. Right, let's get back to the regular viewing. Don't save. You can leave that there. Bring that back over here. There we go. Oh wait, what? Oh, there we go. Oh, that's annoying, that is. We're going to close it. Yes. And we're going to open up a new one. We're going to bring it over to here. There you go. No lyrics. Maybe the musical channel on... Oh, yeah, I've done that one. Okay, that's a calm. I feel like it could be a... I do. Jimbo, hello. Welcome in. So when is your next concert? Gabriel, hello. Welcome on in. I grew up, my teens in the 80s, listening to all the Eurodance trash, and that version was far off. Too polished, too formulaic. Yeah, absolutely. I did just put 80s though, didn't I? Pretty much. What a stream, all over the place. Yeah, you had the magic of making it into... Cheers, mate. Right, okay, what are we going to be doing next? So we were spinning the wheel about an hour ago. Where did we get to? We can close that one off. We can close that one off. Oh, we were doing this one, weren't we? Did I actually download it? Did I actually download that distro? I did. I did. Okay. So we'll stick that over, stick that one and that one over in distros where they belong. I've re-downloaded the D2 Linux ISO because I want to put it on my Mac, but I want to use Niri and Noctalia on it because I think that might be a little bit lighter weight. What was I doing? I've lost chat again. I keep losing chat. Chat, where are you? Come back. There you are. I found you. It's okay, I found you. Whew, lost you for a minute. Still here, was just being AFK, enjoying the music. Oh, nice. Cool, cool, cool. Right, let's get this back. We'll go new. forward. We're going to grab the new ISO. And this is part of, hang on, I've got to do it again.
Spin the wheel, hold your breath, luck decides what distro's next.
And the next distro is ShanaIOS Plasma. Did we know what this was what the base is for this? I didn't really look into it, did I? Did someone say it was Arch? In a VM, yeah. Warlock? Warlock? Thank you so much, dude. I need to do better for the membership stuff. For some reason, it's just not popping up. Really appreciate that, dude. Oh, I did. It was about an hour ago. Basementon. It was up on the screen just there. Look, there we go. Mutable iOS. Built. Oh, Arch Linux. There we go. So it is Arch. So it's an immutable Arch Linux distro. Warlock, add me on distro. What? Let me start again. Thank you very much, Warlock. Don't forget, add me on Discord if you are a Discord user, and you will get access to the members only Discord. If you don't have a Discord, that's fine. But when you do get in there, you need to link Discord to YouTube, so it gives you access to all of the channels and stuff. Otherwise, you'll just be sat in general on your own. Actually, no, everyone's in general. So you could also go over to my site if you can't do it now. Then go to linuxgamer.net and go to contact and put your details in there. You don't have to put anything personal, just your YouTube username and your Discord username, so that I can connect the two together. Yeah, I think I'm pretty sure I came from. Oh no, maybe I didn't. No, what I'll do is I'll put it in Google, and then I'll if they've got a website, I'll use that. But if they don't, then I'll go to DistroWatch. I'm going to give it the full 8. I'm going to give it the full 4. We're going to give it a little bit more room actually, because I know what these immutables are like. What was this called again? Shiny Immutable. We'll give it a capital S just for aesthetics, you know. We're going to finish that. We're going to do that. This might not work. It might do actually. I don't know. We shall see. He didn't like that ISO. Gabrielle, what I love about Linux community, I just helped my buddy revive a 2017 Surface Pro laptop, and we discovered there is a dedicated group of people providing custom kernel and relevant drivers. Oh, that's awesome, Gabrielle. That is so cool. Thanks, Warlock. It did download the distro, right? Yeah, I did it an hour ago. Jesus. That's 2 that we've not had luck with. Oh, didn't mean to do that. Okay. Access denied. Oh, it's because it's been used. Okay, so we need... Okay, didn't like that. Now I'm thinking I might be having some trouble. Where did I put it? There. Actually, no, what I'm going to try, I'm just going to try something. I'm going to go into here. I'm going to go to open. I'm going to go to... I know sometimes I've had issues with this part of it, but it normally tells you when there's an issue. No, okay. It didn't like that, did it? I'm not going to troubleshoot it, so I'm just going to delete it and move on to the next one. Next. Remove.
Spin the wheel, hold your breath, lock the sides, what distros next?
It's almost perfect timing as well, isn't it? Oh, we got Pair OS. Oh no, I shut it down rather than turning it off. Hang on. Epidemic sound. Go to playlists. We'll go to this one. We are going to remove it, but I have got that one already, I think. Oh yeah, no, I tried it. It didn't work. Don't like it. Next. That's the Mac OS one, isn't it? Am I still streaming? I think I'm still streaming, right? Oh yeah, don't forget to do that as well. That sort of stuff. Right, next.
Spin the wheel, hold your breath, lock the sides, what distros next?
RLXOS. RLXOS Linux. So this one is an independent Linux distribution which runs on a immutable file system and features the XFCE desktop. The project features the DistroBox container manager to facilitate running software from multiple other distributions. It also includes support for Flatpak and includes the Bolt AI assistant. It's a global one, it's independent, and we're going to go and have a look at it. Okay, not today then. Move. Ready? Go.
Spin the wheel, hold your breath, lock the sides, what distros next?
What have we got? What have we got? PC Linux OS. PC, oh, it's top 100. So this one is a user-friendly Linux distribution with out-of-the-box support for many popular graphics and sound cards, as well as other peripheral devices. The bootable live DVD provides an easy-to-use graphical installer, and the distribution supports a wide range of popular applications for the typical desktop user, including browser plugins and full multimedia playback. The intuitive system configuration tools include Synaptic for package management, AdLocale to add support for many languages, My Live CD to create a customized live CD. It's out of the US. Let's go and have a look. Okay. Well, what have we got? What have we got? What have we got? Should we go for a lightweight one? Chat, you can pick. And hurry up because it's hurting my eyes. KDE. Got one for KDE. Rolex OS. Okay. Got 2 for KDE. 2 for XFCE. Hey TJ, welcome on in. KDE, XFCE. Oh, come on, guys. Help me out. So we've got 3 for KDE and 3 for XFCE. Next one, as whatever's next, wins. XFCE it is then. You changed your mind. Right, XFCE. That one there. There we go. Okay, done. Let's pop it into distros. I won't do that again. I won't do it. I won't do that again. I'm sorry. I apologise for my behaviour. Was it an independent? I can't remember now. Independent. So, okay. Okie dokie. Automatically? No. Just do Linux. Do generic forward 8192 forward. We're going to give you 30 because we can. Customize. It might be just something that just don't want to work in VMs. Maybe, I don't know. Hey, there we go. I doesn't really matter too much velocity on this, to be honest. Doing it with the BIOS. Oh, okay. Shark 2 says with I think it's Slackware based with RPM. Oh, okay. The initial PC Linux OS was KDE, so KDE is considered as the official version. Oh, okay. Welcome to the installer. Next. Country. Oh, it's frozen on me. Next. US, that's fine. Next. 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 Yep. Yeah. I can't do that. PC. Oh, was it PC Linux OS? Next. Next. It's Windows like old and broken. Hello, a pining dude bro. Hello, for your information, my username was formerly Filipino Flavor. Oh, hello. I had to give that Google account up. Long story. Oh, wow. Welcome on in, dude. Good to see you. Thank you for all your support in the comments. 4.18 or 420. Wait, what? I don't. What was the what? Underlord. Hello. Wait, what? Oh, hello, Underlord. Welcome back. Good to see you again. UK left the map. Fell down. Why? My response is, why not? Family Guy. Looks a bit like a modern version of Windows 2000. Windows 2000 was my favourite, not going to lie. Oh, I see. I don't know, dude. TJ, hello, welcome in. What does it use for a file system? So it was somebody mentioned RPM. Yeah, Windows 2000 was my favourite Windows version without a shadow of a doubt. So just joined a bit ago. What OS is he messing with right now? This one is called PC Linux OS. So this distro is using APT with RPM. Okay. Shark2 says Windows 2000 was the only decent version of Windows. Let's go full screen, shall we? Get the full experience. There we go. Look at that. Oh my god, my eyes! My eyes, they hurt. Stop it. Oh, I've lost chat now, though. Oh, where are you? Chat, where are you? Oh, you're hiding behind here, aren't you? Let's move you over there so I can see. There we go. Excuse me. This installer is ancient. It is, isn't it? Windows 3.1. I ran that. He's doing random OSs. There's a spin the wheel of distros. Yeah, absolutely. Spin the wheel. No, Gabriel, you're wrong, I'm afraid. Windows 2000 was the only one. Actually, XP wasn't that bad. ME, don't get me started on that one. 8, yeah, not so good. 10 was alright. Not straight away. Spent 30 years on Windows. Let me write from that. Gabriel says true, but I had to switch to XP since Windows 2000 was shutting itself down in 5 minutes after being connected to the internet. Oh wow. Let's not remember that. Ran from Windows 3.1, upgraded to 3.11. Nice. I thought Windows 7 was good. Yeah, Windows 7 was alright. Nothing beats Windows 95 launch party. Hello, Mike. Windows 7 was amazing, still has a fan base. 7 was fixed Vista. Velocity says it's XFCE 420. Cool. XP Service 2 was the last decent Windows. Sharktooth, yeah, Windows ME was a joke. There was a trio of ridiculous releases: CE, ME, and NT. Cement. Nice. Why not? Fell down. Why not? Oldest installer from Y2K. Isn't it? Oh, it does look a bit dated, doesn't it? I was trying to do the video. No, configuration. Install NVIDIA driver. That's better than some other distros that are out there. Settings editor, settings manager. That's the one I was looking for. There we go. Oh yeah, actually that's a good point. Yes, CE was actually pretty good. Because of Dreamcast. That's the only reason. I love Dreamcast. Oh, there we go. There you go. You know my password now. Windows 98 second edition, Windows 2000 XP, Windows 10 were the good ones. TJ says, I love XP, but it was the first time I owned a PC, so I don't know, some kind of nostalgia. Yeah, possibly. It was a Windows XP Starter Edition. Not many people know that. Oh, right, okay. Only for netbooks in emerging countries with low specs. Ah. I rather liked Windows 7, says opining a dude, bro. Didn't 10 introduce the aero bug with the screen tearing? Or was that 7? I thought that was Vista. No? Still have my modded Dreamcast collecting dust. I have 2. I have a Japanese import and I have a normal UK one. And they're on the shelf in the dining room. Taking pride of place next to my 2 PlayStations originals, my PlayStation 2 modded, and my my PlayStation 3's in the garage actually. Velocity says, okay, have to feed the children. See you later. Thanks, Velocity. Take care. Bleach bit, catfish file search. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. That's not what I was thinking. Software Center. DNF packing match. So is it like basically sudo DNF update? Oh, that's funny. Okay. Dark theme. Sorry about that. Sorry, Sharktooth. Forgive me. Aero bug was Vista. Yeah, I thought that was the case. Dreamcast was amazing. It was, wasn't it? Favourite game? Metropolis Street Racer. Hardware mod, a PS2 Slim is close to Witchcraft level soldering required. Yeah, I had the original one. the fat one. We've got this great store here in Seattle that sells all the Japanese Dreamcast games. Oh, nice. My crown jewel is my Panasonic GameCube. Oh, I lost my GameCube in a divorce. Oh, Panasonic one. Okay. Softmod FMSCB is plug of the card. Okay. I forgot about Vista. I was learning Ubuntu when Vista was live, if I'm not mistaken. Oh. I'm glad I paid someone for it. Yeah, I did too. I looked at a YouTube video on it and was like, yeah, nah. Fave Dreamcast game was Crazy Taxi, then 3D Sonic. Shenmue. In fact, I got my name in the credits for Shenmue 3 because I was a backer. Do you know what I'm going to do? Oh, this would be interesting. Let's try this, shall we? So we go sudo copr enable Linux Gamer Life /lgl system load out. Ah, never mind. Oh, wait, no. I'm an idiot. What's wrong with me? You're all going to start shouting at me. Oh, I see. Right, okay. Yeah, that makes sense. Armada. I never played Armada. Yeah, the sim has GS and EE engine in one chip. The FATs were 2 chip. Right, okay. Still not easy. The original Asphalt 8 was my favourite game of all time. Didn't play that one either. Yeah, I realised that. I haven't had... Yeah, I didn't add the... I've only got the 2 Troots. I like to call it Troot. I've got Fedora 43 and Fedora 44. I could probably add it though. It's nice that it uses this though. So what are we looking at? I mean, wait, what? Oh wait, what? I've ruined it. Is it telling you where to put it? No, it's not, is it? Still play that game. Let's see, Fedora. I still play that game sometimes. MK, how you doing? Hello, just joined. Why? I'm on Bazite right now, which is Fedora, pretty sure. Yeah, it's Fedora based. It's a Fedora based immutable. What's with the Y? What's with the Y, dude? Strong one. Package names could be a problem. Yeah, absolutely. Can't you just install chroot study of how to trash the random distro? Wait, what? Don't understand that question. Sorry, dude. Well, we're kind of done, aren't we? I mean, what is there to it? It's... What's bleach bit? Snap not found. I like this distro. You know what? We've got Ventoy on there. We've got graphics, GIMP, Firefox browser. I thought I changed the resolution, didn't I? Oh no, it's not in there, is it? Settings manager, display. That's better. Oh, I see. Oh, now I see. Oh my God, I forgot all about that. Oh my God. Oh my God. I feel silly now. It's purely to do with the fact that Framework have sold more units with Ubuntu on than Windows. So yeah, that's the only reason. Sorry if you was looking for an argument or looking for support. BleachBit is a cleaner program. Okay. What an ugly thing, I know, right? I did just change the resolution, so it might look a little bit better. Video downloader, Pithos, Software Center. We know that you all love Flatpaks, so Randy says, I'd like to buy an argument. No, you wouldn't. Yes, I would. Is the 5-minute argument or the full half? Oh, see, we're back. We're back now. We're back now. Hang on, is that Monty Python as well? Okay, so I've just done that. Now what? Password for root? Monty, yeah. MK, hey, I'm just happy people are finally making the switch and experimenting. Yeah. This is not my distro, dude. Don't think for a second that this is my distro. Let me show you what I'm rocking. Where is it? Let's just take this down to a new fresh screen. There we go. Oops, I didn't want to do that. That's what I'm actually rocking, dude. I'm playing a game called Spin the Wheel, which is basically you spin the wheel. I've put all 400 plus distros in the wheel. It spins the wheel. It lands on one, and then I just try it out in a VM. Maybe I need to get an overlay that says this is not my distro. MK Popcoin says, even for phones, I will be leaving Apple to get a Pixel for Graphene OS, maybe Motorola with the upcoming partnership. Nice. Good for you, dude. Python's, oh, I like that, Randy. Python's Flying Circus. Spotify pre-installed but stock XFCE, I know, right? You got the night, yeah, same here actually. Oh yeah, you can see that. That's where you said it. People cranking down on sideline. I know, right? Maybe I'll leave it in that window. That's really bright though, isn't it? Where's the search? Up here. Oh, Steam's on there. That's cool. Why is this bright? We put dark mode on. Oh, so yeah, I've got a 9060 in my other PC actually. Hey Kyle, welcome back, dude. Another night, another Linux stream. It's the weekend. Oh yeah, I just read that wrong. I need to put this over here so I can see again. That's better. My monitor on the right is much smaller text. Faulty Towers is incredible. Yes, I've watched it with John Cleese. I just bought a OnePlus to try Ubuntu Touch. Otherwise, my phone is a Moto, and I plan on flashing it to Graphene when I can. Nice. Warehouse is better than storefront. Is that what this is? I thought I just saw. Did I just see something about GTK? Yeah, I'm on an iPhone 13, I think. I need to close that because that's really bright. Right, okay, we've done this now. Does anybody want me to look at anything in particular on this? That's easy flatpak. Gotcha. Oh yeah, it did say that, didn't it? Okay. What do you think of CachyOS using Shelly for packaging out? Well, I think it's a lot better than what they were using before. I haven't actually seen it myself, as in like used it myself. But yeah, it's got to be better than Octopi, right? Right, going. Once I can work it out to shut down. Gone. Nice. Okay, that wasn't too painful. So we actually managed to do one tonight. That's good. Say goodbye to it. It was fun whilst we had it. But we're going to jump into CachyOS and have a look at Shelly. I like Octopi. Still need to try Shelly. Yeah, I wasn't a fan of it actually. TJ said, I don't care for any arch at the moment. I don't care for the difficulty. What are you rocking again, TJ? Was it Bazite? Syntax. I'm back now. Now on Linux. Oh, wow. Okay, cool. Good job. Did you catch up to your chat? Yeah, I think so. That's the GTK poll kit, right? TJ, I have Mint and Cosmic Desktop on it. Nice. I actually quite liked Cosmic when I did that. It was a little bit undercooked, but apparently there's been some like big updates and stuff, and it's actually seems to be working all right now. I won't worry about it, MK, to be honest. Yeah, Linux is definitely the way forward. All the time they're not touching the kernel, it'll be fine. If they touch the kernel, we're screwed. Although you can build your own, can't you? First time I tried it, it was glitchy, but you're happy with it. And I think that's the important thing. As I say here, I don't really care what Linux distro people use, so long as it's Linux, you know? Oh, press enter to exit. Okay. Okay. Let's go full screen. Oh, we're on the right one there then. So has it installed Shelly? Why is it not? Do I need to reboot? Oh, I've lost chat again. I like cinnamon. I almost switched to it. MK, but it's not as nice as Zero Linux though. He's done a great job. Oh. Nice thing about Shelly's updates. Oh, that's interesting. Where are the app images stored though to update? Where does it get the updates from? Dude, come on, man. Seriously? Oh. What have I told you about telling me what to do? nothing from the website. Oh, okay. Oh, right. So you'd have to upload your app images to there, and then when you update it, you stick it up on there, and then when you click on the update, it pulls down whatever's the latest version on App Image Hub. Finish. I'm not impressed so far. Let's do what we're told. No, we don't want to do that, do we? Go. The only thing I don't like about Shelley so far is my mother's name is Shelley, so I'm constantly reminded of to call my mum. Oh, well, do it then. That's a good thing. What are you on about? If I could call my mum right now, I would. Unfortunately, I can't. So make the most of it. Right, okay. So let's try that again. We're going to have a look at Shelley. Where's Shelley? I keep going up there for some reason. The XPM is much better, but I'm biased. Yes, I agree, and I'm not. I mean, I like you, not enough to be biased. I mean, that's not bad. That dashboard there's quite cool. What do you use for VMs on Linux? Looking for something Fedora based so I can start messing around with some settings. Well, it's funny you should say that. Well, I use a virtual manager, but I have got a tool that I built that helps you to install it easy on Fedora. So as long as you've got the and where is it? Click, 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 click. Here you go. So I use KVM QEMU and Virt Manager. I only need those two for it to work. This is if you do command line stuff. And it installs it, it creates the service, and it adds you to the group. But that's what I would recommend. KVM QEMU Virt Manager. TJ says, I recently got my mum to install Pico OS and she seemed to be surprised. Oh, I'll give you the link for that actually. Have a look at it, don't have to use it. It's been a while since I've updated it actually. Just in case you want to give it a go. Helps you manage the Casio OS kernel as well. So I recently got my mum to install Pico OS and she seemed to be surprised with how much faster it is compared to a normal Windows machine. Yeah, it's pretty good. Well done though. Well done for getting your mum to install it. Syntax, I use GNOME boxes, but it is normally slow, so it could be my laptop. No worries, MK. Yeah, we're going to have a look at that in a minute. I mean, this is quite nice though. Okay, maybe it's not so nice to have to click refresh. Wait, is Vintage Story free then? Huh. Is that Shelley? Yeah, yeah. Pat Manjaro. Dad, can we have Manjaro? We have Manjaro at home. Oh yes. Mum installing operating systems is legendary. Absolutely. 2026. Why can't my dogs take themselves for a walk? Back soon, man. I love the stream. Such good. Thanks, Randy. Appreciate you, dude. So what else have we got? Install. Yeah, so it's kind of like you need to know what you're searching for, right? It's not the sort of thing you can sort of browse through and go, oh, that looks good, I'll install that. It's purely a case of, I know what I'm looking for, so I'm going to install it. So we click on here and go, let's say Helium. Boom. Randy. So Randy, I don't know if you've already gone, dude, sorry if you have, but I probably won't be here when you get back. Maybe, I don't know, it depends how long you take to walk your dog. In it, I've gotten so used over the years to just use a terminal for package management. I would just get annoyed using a GUI for package management. Yeah. I rarely use Discover. I don't think that's quite right. Oh, yeah, Helium. I don't know. Helium probably only does the app image, but I know there's lots of other options for installing Helium. I know JTech has got his own version of Helium that he built a package for Fedora actually, which I might actually have to get him to remind me what it is. So I might actually give it a game. Give it a go. Not a fan of Helium. I had issues with it on hardware acceleration, where I don't have those issues on Brave. Yeah, not a fan of Brave. I feel like it's Octopi upgraded. Yeah, I mean this part looks very Octopi, doesn't it? Is that a GTK? I really enjoy Vivaldi. I haven't actually tried Vivaldi yet, to be honest. If I didn't, I would probably use Chromium. I have thought about Chromium. It's just the Google part. I use Zen. It has Flatpak that I never had problems with. Yeah. I would use Zen if it was if it allowed horizontal. You know. I've got a widescreen. Why would I want to go all the way over here when my mouse is here? Let's go all the way over to here to click something when I could just go click, click, click. Doesn't make sense. LibreWolf all the way here. The Mozilla plugin universe. Yeah, I have been looking for a Mozilla browser. Yeah, I have been looking for a Mozilla browser, and I did look at LibreWolf. In fact, I added it to my system loadout. You should probably try Vivaldi. Someone just said it's goated. Oh, goated. I thought it said it bloated. It instantly put me off. I should read properly, shouldn't I? I quite like horizontal tabs, as I was just saying, syntax, so each their own, right? I have heard that WaterFox is great. Yeah, I've had that and tried it on. So I've installed both of them and then just uninstalled. In fact, I think they might be installed still. WaterFox. Yeah, that's still installed. And what was the other one? WaterFox and LibreWolf. I haven't installed that one. I uninstalled that one actually. I should probably try Vivaldi. I added Vivaldi to my system loadout. I was watching some Ordinary Gamers video about how to build your own browser, or something we'll be looking to find again soon. Oh, okay. Mozilla decline is real. Many websites are no longer compatible. Right, we're going to shut down this. I've had a look at it now. Now let's shut it down properly. Oh yeah, I remember this. Do you remember this, Zero Linux? I was on a Discord call with Zero Linux and I removed KDE and installed Cinnamon whilst he was watching. Did I install your package manager? Oh, hang on. I need to make that larger, don't I? Oh, no. Display settings. We need to go to that one so you can see it properly. There we go. And then I just need to do that again, don't I? Where is it? There. I tested the package manager, didn't I? Maybe I should update. Why is it asking me yes for everything? I should have just put yes at the end, shouldn't I? Can you do that on here? Also, DRM for HD streaming is there only for 720? Oh, okay. Netflix Prime. I don't watch those on browsers though. I tend not to. And in fact, I don't have Netflix anymore. I've got Prime and I've got YouTube and I've got Apple TV. Apple TV I only watch upstairs. Very rarely use Prime at the moment. It's mainly YouTube through my PlayStation. My PlayStation is my my YouTube viewer. Yeah, that's really weird because when if I'm sat at my PC, I'm either playing games that I need to be sat at my PC with, or I'm doing this sort of stuff. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Well, I don't know about the PlayStation. I might keep the PlayStation, but I've got an Xbox Series X that is just sat there gathering dust right now. In fact, I might box it up soon. I need to wipe it first though, but I'll be definitely getting rid of my Xbox. I do want to get into building a NAS and ripping my Blu-rays and such at some point. Yeah, I was looking at a Blu-ray drive actually. I've been doing my DVDs and sticking them on Plex. I've got a NAS. I didn't build the NAS though. It's a bought one. It's a M.2. It's only got 4 gig in at the moment. Well, it's got 6 1 gig sticks. 1 gig, yeah. I haven't updated this for a while. Hacked Amazon Fire Stick with alternative launcher. Okay, nice. I've got an Amazon Fire Stick, but it's literally on the floor behind the TV. I replaced it because that's what I had upstairs, but I replaced it with an Apple TV, and I love that. Okay, I've got a few HDDs with some movies and TV shows in case of grid outages. Oh, nice. It's Wolf Launcher with HDT OTG. I don't know what that stands for. Carl says, I think everyone in my family has dodgy Fire Stick hard drives. Cool, cool, yeah. PS LGL top grade. PS LGL top grade is your friend. Wait, what? Top grade. Who's top grade? Gabriel, if you have a real physical copy of a movie, is it legal to have a downloaded version? Depends where you are. In the UK, no, it's not. Oh, okay. I just do this on mine, dude. Update now. Job done. This was the distro we were playing with the other day, dude. So it should be right. You know the one that I stripped out KDE and stuck Cinnamon on in the Discord chat. But that does not upgrade your firmware. Top grade does that. I thought mine did. Does mine do the firmware? Can't remember if I added firmware or not. I mean, if it doesn't, I'll get it to do it. Probably in most places is for a Nintendo game, for example. It's given you wouldn't download a car. 0. Oh, okay. Zizio says I just run yay. So wait, will it? Can I do it through GUI? It also update Python modules. Cool. Sounds like a all round. So through Pacman, yeah. So sudo pacman -s xpm gui. See, that's pretty. Why have I got 30? Oh no, it's because I was testing it for you, wasn't it? Was it? It is pretty. You've done a good job, dude. Got all your repos. Can you downgrade a repo? No, it says download repo, didn't it? Oh, no, it says repo. Look, install. Oh, I see. Right, okay. That's installed apps. Right, okay. It says browse repos there, dude. Just some feedback for you, man. That says browse repo. And this is installed apps. Which version of 0 is this one? Latest, I think. Am I reviewing someone's GUI? No. Zero Linux is a friend of the stream, and we just looked at Shelly, and I think this looks better. That was all. Yeah, it doesn't make sense that you browse repos for apps, dude. That was all. But it does say filtered packages. You might just want to add a installed here. That takes you to this page rather than... Or just have repos and packages. No, it doesn't. It looks cool. It looks really cool. App settings. Yes, we know that, dude. What we're saying is you don't naturally feel like clicking on browse repos to find out what apps you've got installed. That's what we're saying. Yeah? So you've got Hot Home, Arch News, Flatpaks. Where's the packages? Yeah, that was all. MK Popcorn. Got to call you Popcorn from now on. Cool stream, man. Glad I stopped by. Oh, thanks, dude. Appreciate you. It isn't. All I'm saying is it doesn't feel natural to go into repos to find packages. Yeah. It could just say repos and packages. Yeah, no worries, dude. No worries. It's just lovely feedback, you know. Yeah, so you could just have repos and then packages. That would be really clean then. So, oh wait, hang on. No, this is packages, isn't this? This isn't repos. Because I thought this was a list of repos, but it's not. It's a list of packages, right? Oh, that should just say packages, dude. Check troubleshooting. Update mirror lists. Fix GNU-PG keyring. Export package list. That's quite neat. Unlock database. Rebuild intra. Init. Rebuild grub. Oh, that's useful. Import package list. Ignore package. Nice. Oh, that's the repos. Oh, I see. Right. Yes. Okay. Yeah. That makes sense. Oh, yeah. Okay. That makes sense. So that doesn't make sense now, even less so, because for me that would be like me going to here and then going to settings and browsing the repos. That's what that says to me. Yeah? That makes sense? Click on tree to see dependency. Cool, that is quite cool. Call it browse packages. Yeah, actually that would make more sense. Or just packages. Yeah, that'd be cool. Just call it packages, dude. Unless you've got a mechanism for adding repos. Can you add repos, or is that done somewhere else? Is that done in the... Oh, he's going to tell me off for typing ZE then, isn't he? Yeah, it's not there, is it? That's a new feature, add repos, gotcha. Yeah, so packages would work. Yeah. There you go. Right. Smitty. I will send you those tunes. Oh yeah, app images support. There we go. Browse software. Yeah, I mean, short is better, I think. Software, maybe? Software might work. It depends who you're targeting, right? Yeah, too much coding. Too many tokens. Right, okay. I think I am about done for this evening. I have gone on longer than I had planned to, but I did start earlier. So, yeah.